If I replace 2 meals a day with Nutrament drink, will I gain weight or lose weight? I work out, 30 minutes a day, cardio and weight cal 360 from fat 90 total fat 10 g sat fat 1 g cholesterol 10 mg sodium 250 mg potassium 500 mg total carb 52 g dietary fiber 0 sugar 49 g protein 16 g.
Welcome to JustAnswer Health.and thank you for your question. I am a verified expert and am delighted to help you today. Those are actually pretty high in calories. If you are trying to lose weight, opt for lower calorie meals, such as for breakfast 3 egg whites and 1 whole wheat English muffin for a total of 134 plus 84 equals 218, and is much more satisfying. Here is a link to Calorie Count, Calorie Count.
But I don't like to eat really, that is why drinks I am considering. I am doing under a 1,400 calories plan and the 2 drinks would be 720. Then I have a lot more to play around with.
If you prefer not to eat and prefer the liquid meals and are going to be at 1,400 calories per day, then yes, this will work. You can expect to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.